When you buy LK screen protector, you would also get 2 camera protectors. Use the wet wipe and clean your cameras, and then use the cloth to dry. Make sure there is no dust left on the lenses, because once we install the camera protector, then it won't be possible to take the dust off. Peel off the cover from the screen protector. It can only fit in one direction. To find the correct orientation, make sure the small circle on the camera protector matches the LiDAR scanner. Once you're sure it is the correct orientation, then insert it in and then press it a bit and it will fit. Now you can clean it using a wet wipe and a dry cloth. Now your cameras are protected and ready to use. If you want to buy this camera protector, you can find the Amazon link in the description.